creating step-by-step solution of simple DC-AC circuits. This video demonstrates how TINACloud's AI-powered analysis uses fundamental circuit theory to derive step-by-step exact analytical results that precisely match the numerical results of TINACloud's interactive DC analysis tool. Let's begin with our first example. We will analyze the following circuit using both AI and numerical simulation. Let's create the circuit. Pick up for resistors, a voltage source, and a voltmeter from the basic toolbar and drop them on the workspace as it is shown on the screen. Next, wire up the circuit. Finally, add the ground. Adjust the component values if needed. Now the circuit is ready for testing. Open the AI Assistant by clicking the AI button on the toolbar. Enter the following text, calculate the voltage on R2. The detailed analytic solution appears in the AI Assistant window. The result is 1.2 volts. Now, let's compare this result with the numerical simulation. Press the DC button. The result is the same as given in the analytic solution. Alternatively, you can ask the AI to calculate the voltage displayed by the voltmeter. The result is the same, 1.2 volts again. TINACloud's AI-powered analysis, using fundamental circuit theory, delivers results that precisely match numerical simulations, provided by the interactive DC analysis tool of TINACloud.
For more information, visit our website at TINACloud.com. Visit our YouTube channel to youtube.com/user/TINA Design Suite.